Both are betting big on crypto. But only one may survive the next wave of disruption. Which is it? Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ YouTube channel. And today, I want to talk about two stocks that I think have a really good chance to win in this future of finance. The question is, which one will win? Will it be Robinhood or will it be Coinbase? Well, first of all, their app is beautiful. It is sleek. It is modern. Well, first of all, their revenue is growing. It is increasing. But the biggest thing for me is the fact that they have such a huge moat when it comes to crypto. Well, my personal opinion is that I think Coinbase has a better chance of winning this race. Not only do they have a moat when it comes to crypto, but they're also trading at a lower price to sales ratio, which means that there's more room for growth. However, I do want to say that Robinhood is a very close second. If you look at the charts, you can see that they're both very similar. The biggest difference between these two companies is the fact that Coinbase has that crypto moat, and I think that this will be a huge advantage for them moving forward. No. Two is their revenue per user is also increasing. Now, what are some of the risks? Well, no. One is competition. There are a lot of competitors out there in the space. No. Two is regulation, and then no. Three is just the overall market. If crypto goes down, people trade less, right? People don't buy as much Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dogecoin or whatever it is. Not only that, they're going after the millennials and Gen Z. They're the largest demographic in terms of growth. And if you look at the numbers, their growth is phenomenal. Their revenue per user is also increasing. Now, with Robinhood, there are a few risks that we need to consider. No. One is regulation. No. Two is competition. And no. Three is just the overall market. The market goes down, people trade less, right? People don't buy as much stock. So let us break down both sides, and then we talk about which one I think has the best opportunity moving forward. So first, let's start with Robinhood. Why do I like Robinhood? When we look at the stock price of Robinhood versus Coinbase, what we can see is that Robinhood is actually trading at a higher price today. However, if we look at the forward price to sales ratio, which means what the stock price could be in the future, we can see that Coinbase is actually trading at a lower price to sales ratio. This means that investors are expecting more growth from Coinbase in the future compared to Robinhood. Now let's switch over to Coinbase. What do I like about Coinbase? So now let's get into the most important part of this video, which is the stock price. So the question is, which one should you invest in? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and let's grow together. It says Money Move IQ. Let's make your next move count. And I hope that you've learned something new. See you guys in the next one. Peace.